Laura, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So I thought I would finish off the year with the final hairstyle. So it's just this cute little Dutch braid, and then I'll pop the rest of my hair up into a half up and then just finish it off with this cute little bow. But before I get onto this hairstyle, I just wanted to quickly talk to you about Ana Luisa, who've kindly sponsored this video today. So Ana Luisa is a jewellery brand which I absolutely love. I have loved them for years, and at the minute they have the biggest sale on that they've ever had. So they have up to 60% off everything, which is amazing. The jewellery is so affordable as well, and it lasts for so long. I'm wearing 3 bits of their jewellery today. So I'm wearing the Adam Bold necklace. This is this one here, and then I have the scarlet hoops in, which are these ones here that kind of look like you're wearing 2 little hoops in one, which are really cute. And then I am wearing the Tia medium gold hoops, these ones here. These also look so cute by themselves, but I thought I'd double them up today, you know, extra bling. And Ana Luisa do all sorts of different types of jewellery. They do gold plated brass, they do gold plated silver, they also do their own lab created diamonds, which are absolutely amazing. All of the jewellery comes in these little pouches, so you get a little pouch every time you order something, and I just pop them straight back in here as soon as I take them out, just to make them last even longer, and it just protects them from any scratches or anything. Check out the Ana Luisa website. I will link everything down below. I'll link my jewellery down below if you wanted to go and check that out too. Yeah, let's get on the hairstyle. This tutorial. Again, I'm going to link everything down below from Ana Luisa website. Go and check out the sale. 60% off is absolutely amazing, and this jewellery is going to last you so long. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.